Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a report from News Corporation. It's not exactly breaking news, more like keeping tabs on their stock buyback moves. Think of it as us watching them slowly try to boost their stock price. This report is called a Form 8K, which companies file to tell everyone about big stuff that's happened, kind of like a corporate announcement. The most recent event they are talking about here happened in late March of 2025. News Corporation is the big media company that owns things like the Wall Street Journal and the New York Post, so when they do something, people pay attention. The main point of this report is about something called a stock repurchase program. That sounds fancy, but it just means the company is buying back its own stock. They're allowed to buy back up to $1 billion worth of their Class A and Class B shares. Because News Corporation is also listed on the Australian Securities Exchange, they have to tell that exchange every day if they actually buy any shares. It's like keeping a public record of their shopping habits in the stock market. There is also this legal warning about forward-looking statements. Basically, they're saying, we plan to buy back stock, but things might change. They don't want to get in trouble if they don't buy back all the stock they said they would. It's like saying, I plan to go to the gym, but no promises. Now, let's look at the actual details of what they reported to the Australian Securities Exchange. There are two exhibits attached. One is about their Class A stock and the other is about their Class B stock. Class A and Class B shares are just different types of stock a company can have. News Corp has both. The trading symbols for these stocks are NWSA for Class A and NWS for Class B. You will need them if you want to look them up. Okay, so what does all this mean? News Corporation has the green light to spend up to $1 billion to buy back their own shares. It's a way to try to increase the stock price, but it's not a guarantee, and they're keeping everyone updated on how much they actually buy. From the look of this report, it's kind of a regular update, not a huge surprise. News Corporation is doing what they said they would, keeping investors in the loop about their stock buyback plan. Nothing out of the ordinary at this point, just a company following through with its plans. So, what's my take? News Corp seems to be playing it safe, sticking to their stock repurchase plan. It is a pretty standard way to try to keep investors happy, and it shows they have some extra cash to spend. However, keep in mind that stock buybacks don't always work. If the company's overall business is struggling, a buyback won't fix that. It's more like putting a bandage on a bigger problem. One thing to keep an eye on is how much they're actually spending on these buybacks. If they suddenly stop or slow down, it could be a sign that things aren't going so well behind the scenes. Overall, News Corporation seems to be in a stable position, but it's always important to dig deeper than just these kinds of reports. Look at their actual financial results, see how they're doing compared to their competitors, and consider the overall media landscape. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives.